Ow! Look at my eye. Oh, my eye. Ew. My eye is watering a lot. Why am I watering? Is it watering? Because my Chrome just crashed. Try it again. Yes. Yes. So I'm going to do sounds of space. Sounds. Oh, come here. Come here. All of this. Scary sounds of space. Let's see them.
Because no matter how your world is
changing, it's an ad.
We'll work it out.
It's an ad.
Together.
Don't worry, that's an ad. Wait. Oh. This is the sound of collision of two black holes. And this is the interstellar space. Next to the black holes, colliding sound. The collision. Black holes of smoke. And scary sounds of space part 2. Wait, there's no sound in space, so it's probably... This is the sound of lightning on Jupiter. I've never seen lightning on Jupiter. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede. Oh, I've heard about this. Sounds weird. Oh, God. Radio signals from Saturn. I swear this might actually be the sound of it. The sound, Saturn's moon Titan. Have we seen Titan? Or you might have not. Or I know, come here. Sit here. Oh yeah, today we've been joined by Henry. You're probably making a different sound. How? Oh, this is the sound of the star kick. 1, 2, 22, 6, 8, 2, 2, 0, C. I don't know what the name right. Oh, this is the same one. This is the sound of another star called Star Kick 7, 6, 7, 1, 0, 8, 1, B. Oh, the sound of colliding neutron stars. I've heard about this. But that is scary. Scary Sounds of Space Part 2 by another guy. That's cool. You have subscribed to this guy too.
Kate was beginning to think
yeah, this is an ad too.
Then a tech-savvy friend told her about HMA, a virtual private network, or VPN. With HMA, your data is encrypted to make...
Scary Sounds of Space Part 2. Colliding neutron stars. I've heard about this, but let's do it again. Is this the real sound? These might be other neutron stars colliding though. Oh yeah, we'll probably see in 2017 there's a neutron star collision, I think. In 2016, then there's one in 2022. You can see. That's cool. Hear it again. Sound of Saturn's rings. That's the sound of Saturn's rings. It's freaky. Oh yeah, I had a dream about seeing Saturn from Earth. That's kind of cool. I'm confused. There's a moon. I think that's Saturn's moon. You can't see, but I see No, I see one. Okay, come sit here. Come sit here. I think that's Saturn's moon, another planet's moon, or another planet. And we come sit here. Next to Saturn's rings. Scary. It's really scary. I might have heard about Saturn's rings in the last episode that we did. That's cool. How it gets dark and stuff. It's like it's 2D. Sound of two colliding black holes. I've already heard about this, but let's see it. Oh, it makes a bigger black hole. Sound of Earth. Yeah, that's actually the actual sound of Earth. It's insane. It's hard to know which one it is. Which sound it actually is. Sound of sun. This is the sound of the sun. This is the sound of the sun. Be very quiet. Ooh. It's fire. The sun is fire, yeah. It's about fire and helium and hydrogen. Let me come here. Is that actually the sun? That's the sun in space. Yeah, I did learn something new today. Look, that is the sun in space. I'm showing Henry it, don't worry. Then let's do some more. Anyway, we're going to go in. And we're going to go in pop.
The world of work is changing.
What if a neutron star hits Earth? Well, a neutron star can't hit Earth because, well, black holes can't too. I know, but they can't. They probably can't. Oh! It wasn't in 2017, it's in 2018. It's saying this is the first time scientists have directly detected gravitational waves, reptiles or something like that in space and time, in addition to light from the spectacular collision of two neutron stars. That's cool. This is what they got. Oh god, that's cool. You in the bed? Why are you in the bed? Why are you in the bed? Oh, that's cool. They're all like the same. Look, this is me in the bed. If you can't see me, then here I am. Oh. Ow. Ow. Let's see another one. Wait, they found a black hole in the Atlantic Ocean. That's insane. NASA Space Sounds. In February 2010. There's no sound in space. Space does exist though, yeah. Or space props. Let's say space props. Let's see. Yeah, this is in February 2010. Comments are turned off. Really? Jupiter. It's my it's on Jupiter. Miranda. NASA's is on space. No. Song of Earth. Sound of the Song of Earth. That's so weird. This is the sound of Song of Earth. Right. Wow. Well, that's interesting. And space sounds. I like them. Oh yeah, you can go under then. If you want, you can go under. There you go. If you can't see, then here you are. Here we are. We are in here. We're in. So, here we are. My quilt. You can hear Henry. This is a space. You can't really see my eyes. Help. 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 Help the guys. What's this? Guys! Right. Look at that. Henry, what are you doing? Right. Well, that's space though. Space is maybe a bit tired. Bye. Bye, guys. Oh, that's made me tired.